Hello, this is Vik. In this video, we'll see about settings, that is reading settings. Here we'll see this section, homepage displays. You can display latest article or a static page. We should create a static page for this one. And if I click on this static page, we'll be redirected to our pages section. These are the number of articles to show on individual page. If I go to this page, here it's displaying 2 articles. If I want to display only 5 articles, it will display up to 10 articles on this page. After it, we'll see a pagination for next pages with numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 based on the number of articles. If we have 50 posts in our website, in our blog, WordPress blog, we'll get a 5 pages and pagination, and we can click on each page to see next 10 articles. Here you can set a number of articles. You can set 5 or 10. By default, it's a 10 articles. If you set this to bigger number, it will take a lot of time to display, and it will be in a lengthy size, page size. Page height will be lengthy, and for scrolling it will become difficult for user to scroll through all the articles. Keep it at 10 or 15, 5 based on the size of your articles. And syndicate feeds to show the most recent. This is for RSS feeds. You can use a default 10. And if you want to display your entire articles in RSS feeds or feeds in other websites, you can use a full text. It's better to use a summary only. After that, they will get a link to read the entire article. They'll click on that link and they will come back to your website. They will read the entire article. And previously we have seen while manually installing, I'm discouraging search engines from indexing this site. Here is the option. You can uncheck this box to allow search engines to crawl your website. If you don't want to crawl, if it's a real website, uncheck this option, and you don't want to enable this option. Here it's a testing site. I'm enabling it and saving these changes, and I'll show you on a previous installation, manual installation. If I go to dashboard, settings, reading, here is the option. While installation, I have set this to discourage search engines. I can uncheck and save changes. It will be applied. I'm not going to do that because this is not a real website. I don't want a search engines to crawl this websites. And next I'll work on creating a page. For setting a static page, we should have a pages. I'll create a static page for home page and for post page. Presently it's displaying on home page. This is a front page view. Whenever anyone visits this front page, it's displaying it here, all the posts on home page. After assigning a static page, what happens is I'll assign this view to a different page. I'll call it as a blog. I'll call this page as a blog, and I'll create this blog page. I'll select it from here, and next time onwards, after saving these changes, all these articles will be displayed on this blog page. I'll continue with that. I'll create a 2 pages, home page, home, just home is enough. So home page, publish. I'll create a one more page. I'll call it as blog. So blog page. In home page, we'll see the content, what I am entering here. In blog page, we won't be able to see this content because this view, these articles will be displayed. I am choosing this option, a static page. The home page. For post page, it's a blog. I'll apply these changes, and if I reload this page, I should see home page. It's a home page, and if I go to blog, we'll see these articles instead of it's a blog page content. Whatever you enter it in a blog page, it won't display that information. Only these articles will be displayed. Whatever page you choose here, that content will not be displayed. Only these articles will be displayed. All the posts. That's it for the reading settings. In the next video, I'll see about media settings and permalinks.